Now we're looking at the properties of parallelograms, and we need to use those properties to solve certain problems. So in this problem, we're using two different properties. One of the properties is that opposite sides are congruent. So in this case, we can see that this side here and this side here are equal. Therefore, x plus 4 is equal to 12. And subtracting 4 from both sides, x is equal to 8. Then we also know that opposite angles are congruent, so this angle and this angle are congruent, and y is equal to 65 degrees. So make sure you have those properties memorized. We know this is a parallelogram, by the way, by the defining characteristic that opposite sides are parallel. So again, opposite sides are congruent, so therefore x plus 4 equals 12. And x equals 8. For the other theorem, we know opposite angles are congruent, so they're also equal, so y equals 65. And here's another one. We want to know what FG is equal to. Well, we know opposite sides are congruent, so FG is equal to HE, and both of those are 8. For the measure of angle G, we know opposite angles are congruent, so measure of angle G is equal to the measure of angle E, and that equals 60 degrees. Okay. And for this one, again, we know opposite sides are congruent, so we know that JK is equal to LM. Therefore, 18 is equal to y plus 3, and subtracting 3 from both sides, we get y is equal to 15. To find x, we know opposite angles are congruent, so therefore the measure of angle J equals the measure of angle L. So 2x is equal to 50, and dividing both sides by 2, x equals 25. There you go. And we're done. Thanks.